Okay, so everything back together.
Yep.
I'm gonna be honest with you, I already started it. The valve adjustment worked, but I want you to hear it. So, here's the choke. I'm not gonna pull the choke because I just started. Watch out, buddy, I don't wanna hit you in the face. Seems like it's that's really high, and maybe that's normal. I don't know. But
It's also smoking.
it's smoking for sure. But there might be some oil somewhere. I'm not sure where.
I can see where it's smoking.
Let me get this up here.
I see
But
where
anyways, there you go.
it's,
Started valve adjustment, simple valve adjustment.
Well, I can see where it's
Seems like it's
smoking.
running really good. Thanks for watching.